OpenAI just gave ChatGPT a massive update. You can now search for things and buy things and have a shopping experience inside of ChatGPT. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to use this feature and how you can take advantage of this to get rich, because this is going to unlock so many different opportunities for different businesses and for people to be able to make money. Okay, so when it actually comes to using this new feature, you literally just need to toggle on search, and then you need to do a search related to trying to buy something. For example, I'm going to say, please find me the best blender to buy for under $50. And what this is going to go ahead and do is this is going to search the web, and now we're going to see ChatGPT's brand new shopping feature here. And this is pretty cool because it allows us to go really in depth on different products and do a bunch of different things here. So as we can see, if you're searching for a reliable blender under $50, there are several excellent options that balance performance, durability, and value. And we could go through here and see all of the different options right here. In addition to that, if we come into these top picks, it gives us a little insight into why they actually picked these things. Now, let's say that this one right here is one that we want to learn a little bit more about. For example, I could click on Ask This right here. Now, this is going to ask a question directly related to this. And if we want to change it, we just click on Ask About This right here. So I could say something along the lines of, what do the reviews say? Now this will go through and we'll actually look at the reviews for this, and it'll give me some feedback on exactly what the reviews are saying about this specific product. Now while this is doing this, I did want to show you, if you click into this right here, you will be able to see all of the different purchasing options, and you'll be able to see the best place to purchase it right now, and they have a see more feature right here. Now this is currently being rolled out to everybody. It's going to be for people on the free plan, the plus plan, the pro plan. Everybody's going to get access to this. Right now, if we click on this, this is actually going to bring us to Best Buy's website in order to buy this. But what is going to get rolled out is we're going to be able to buy this straight from within ChatGPT. Just like most things in AI though, it's going to take a few days, if not a few weeks, for that to actually get rolled out. So when we ask this, what do the reviews say about this? It goes through and gives us all the different user feedback summary from the pros, from the cons, and then it gives us a bunch of other recommendations based on this exact product right here. Now, we have final thoughts down here. Another cool thing that you could do is you could have this compare different products. So you could tell it exactly what your needs are or what you're going to be making. For example, I just want to make smoothies. Which one is going to be the best? So I'm going to type in, I just want to make smoothies. Which one will be the best? Now, this will go through and actually determine which one is the best for this specific use case. Now, a few things that I do want to talk about here. First and foremost, if we click on this right here outlines exactly how ChatGPT actually goes ahead and chooses what to show. Now, I don't want to actually take the time to read through this, so I'm going to take this right here and I'm going to say, please summarize this into 3 points about how ChatGPT chooses search results, and then give me a step-by-step guide for getting my product to show. So if we type this in right here and then we paste all of this different text right here that we got on the website, this will now give us this. So how ChatGPT chooses search results is based on 3 different key points. First, ChatGPT analyzes the user's query to detect shopping intents and select a product that it deems most relevant based on the structured metadata: price, description, reviews, context like prior preferences, or custom instructions. Right now, there are no paid placements. There will be paid placements in the future though, and this is going to be a massive opportunity. In addition to that, they look at third-party sources. For example, product listing, prices, reviews, merchant options come from external data providers. ChatGPT may summarize or relabel product information, for example, most popular, to improve readability. Now, if you actually want to get your product to show up here, you need to ensure you're in third-party product feeds, because ChatGPT is relying on this structured metadata from third parties. So things like Amazon, Walmart, Shopify with relevant integrations or other aggregators, you need to make sure that your content is in there and that it's optimized for ChatGPT to actually pick it up. You need to optimize your product metadata. You need to focus on customer reviews. You need to avoid inconsistent or misleading information. You need to register the intent for direct feed integration, and you need to monitor and give feedback to ChatGPT. Now, this opens up a bunch of different opportunities for you to be able to learn this stuff and for you to be able to make a ton of money from this. Now, before I get into the 3 things that you need to make sure that you're doing right now to set yourself up to be able to take advantage of this, I need you to smash that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest AI tools. In addition to that, I just launched AI Automation School. If you're trying to make money with AI, you're trying to automate things with AI, or you just want to know what AI tools you should be using for your specific situation, you sound like a perfect fit for it. So I check it out at the pinned comment below. Okay, so every time that a new change like this happens, this opens up a massive opportunity for you to be able to make money from this. Now, the first opportunity for you to be able to make money from this is literally beginning to understand exactly what this is focusing on and then going out and pitching companies that aren't showing up. For example, what we could do right here, if we look at best blenders, is come over here into these other ones right here and then reach out to all these brands. And we need to say to them, hey, I did a search for best blenders under $50 on ChatGPT, and there are now going to be a ton of different people searching for this. And I noticed that your product is showing up in the back half of this or isn't showing up at all. And the reason that it isn't showing up, and then you'd build a report on this, actually, we could probably just take a screenshot with this on ChatGPT and say, hey, how come these didn't show up early? You'd be able to have that actually be a report. You'd be able to send it to them, and then they will pay you a consulting fee in order to fix that and to figure it out differently. In addition to that, if you already have a product that is ranking here or that isn't ranking here, you need to understand this for yourself so that you can change this, because this is going to unlock a massive opportunity. There are a ton of people now, myself included. I don't go to Google to search for things anymore. I literally just come to ChatGPT if I want to be able to search for things, because now I can actually conversate with this and it is way easier. So you need to make sure that if you are selling any type of product when it comes to e-commerce, that you are showing up in here. In addition to that, you need to make sure that if you want to make some money with this right now, that you are reaching out to the brands that do not show up here. And you need to make sure that you are changing their product photos, changing their metadata, adjusting their pricing, adjusting what actually shows up here, and getting them ready to be able to make money with ChatGPT. In addition to that, you need to keep your eyes peeled. You want to know why? Because like this said over here, right now, there are no ads. But I can guarantee you that ads are going to be coming to ChatGPT. And if you learn how to get good with these ads, once they come out, this is going to represent one of the biggest opportunities of 2025 for you to actually be able to make money. Now, another thing that you could do, you could literally copy and paste all of this right here, and you can actually build out a guide for how people can rank on ChatGPT, and you can begin consulting with that. And essentially what you want to do is you want to start facilitating brands that are trying to get their products to rank on ChatGPT, that are trying to stay on top of ChatGPT, and they're trying to make money through this, because ChatGPT has done this, but I guarantee you Grok is also going to do this, Gemini is going to do this, Llama is going to do this, and this is going to unlock one of the biggest opportunities for 2025, which is getting products and getting search results to rank within ChatGPT. In the past, we had SEO, but today we have LLM optimization, aka LLMO. Essentially what this does is focuses on getting an LLM to rank your product there. And if you are able to do this for your own product, it's a huge opportunity to make money. If you are able to become the expert at helping other people do this, it is a huge opportunity to make money. And again, you could literally just start by doing searches for things, popular things that sell on Amazon, and let these brands know that they aren't ranking here, and give them a solution for how they could do that, sell it to them, and then begin to implement that. And the other thing that's great about this is they could pay you a fee for getting things set up, but in addition to that, they're going to need to pay a maintenance fee in order to continue to stay on top. Why? Because everybody else is also going to be trying to rank for these different terms. Now, if you like this video, you're gonna love this video right here that walks you through 5 other ChatGPT features that I guarantee you haven't seen before, you haven't heard of before, or that you're using wrong. I'll see you over there.